Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am very excited about because I went to Ulta yesterday and I did a little bit of shopping. You know, I went into Ulta because I ran out of foundation and concealer. It was just time to get some new stuff. And I went in there and they were having a sale. They had a lot of new stuff and it's been a while since I bought some new makeup, and long story short, my husband's not speaking to me today and he took away all my credit cards. So I'm just kidding. It's fine. But I did buy a lot more makeup than I expected, but I got some really great deals on some new products that I've been really dying to buy. So today's video is going to be a bit of an Ulta haul slash first impressions video. I'm gonna do a full face for you today. That's why you're getting my nice, fresh, no makeup face first thing in the video, because I'm just gonna start from scratch and I have no idea what kind of makeup look I'm doing today, other than I know I'm using some new eye products, so I kind of have an idea of what I'm doing here, but we're just going to go on this journey together and see how it all turns out. But without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Got my hair up and out of the way, looking super fabulous right now. First things first, I'm going to prime my skin. I did not buy a new primer yesterday because I have 3, I think. So I'm doing good on primer for right now. Ooh, I have makeup under my eyes. Got some remnants of yesterday's mascara on my face. As usual, the animals are being very noisy, so please excuse them. Jumping right in, I'm really excited to try out this new foundation. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I think a lot of people have tried this, but I have not. And this is the Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. It's oil-free, and this is the shade Pearl. Now, I did pick out my own foundation shade in the store, and some of you may know that picking out foundation in the store at Ulta or Sephora or wherever is really kind of a terrible idea, because the lighting in those stores is actually horrible for picking out makeup. It's fluorescent lighting and it's kind of made to make the products look beautiful and everything like that, but a lot of makeup artists and, you know, just regular old shoppers like me will make mistakes because the shade looks great under that lighting, and then you go outside and you're like, what the hell happened to me? So today we'll find out if this shade matches me or not. Now, my face is much lighter than the rest of my body, so I kind of try to match my makeup to my chest because it's a little bit darker than my face, and I do that on purpose because I protect my face from the sun and I wear a lot of sunscreen and stuff like that. And so I don't mind a foundation that is a little bit darker than my actual face, because then it matches my body. But I got this really cool new like kabuki brush from Morphe. Yes, they have Morphe at Ulta now. Holy shit, how come nobody told me about this? And this is the Morphe M444 brush, and it feels really, really good. It's a very, very dense brush, so I'm hoping it'll be awesome for foundation. And just kind of dot all over my face. But I'm not really digging the brush. I feel like it's like pulling my skin a lot because it's not gliding very smoothly. Like, I feel like it's tugging a lot. I also bought a Morphe beauty sponge. I've been wanting to try out one of their sponges too. Very affordable, only $7, I believe. So I'm gonna go in here, just a little bit more foundation and build it up. Yeah, I think this is going on a lot nicer and like really packing it into my skin a little bit better. I also got the same concealer I usually always get because I really can't go wrong with Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, actually I think this is gonna work out nice. Yeah, that's okay, because I want it to be a little bit lighter than my foundation, of course, to brighten up my under eye. And if I wanted to do like a full, like, you know, contour and like brighten the center of my face and everything like that, I think that that would work out really nice. So, okay, I'm pretty happy with this color. My phone decided to stop recording, but anyway, what are these hairs doing? You don't want to be part of the club? You just want to do your own thing? That's just not working for me. Now that I have foundation and concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with my usual Laura Mercier powder. Ooh! Ah! It's like it's my first day or something. I'm just really having some problems today. I think my phone's okay. Don't know. Okay. Brush away this excess powder. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows really quick off camera with my usual brow pencil, and I'll be right back. Okay, brows are done. I'm so excited. I've bought my first Morphe eyeshadow palette. I got a small 9A palette just to give it a shot, just to see how I like it. These palettes are so affordable. I should have just gone ahead and gotten a big one, but I got kind of scared because, you know what, I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes and I just didn't think it would be necessary to buy a big one, but I'm really excited about this one. It looks beautiful already. Comes with a little plastic protective covering and a nice big mirror. And these are the colors that you can see. Really nice, some really good neutral browns. I'm excited to have a black shadow. I have never had a black shadow before. And then this like kind of mustardy yellow colors up here are gonna be really cool. What are we gonna do today? See, the other thing is I have this new Stila liquid eyeshadow, the Diamond Dust. Yeah, so it's like this beautiful shimmery silver. Shush! I'm trying to make a video. You know, I'm gonna try to get fancy. Are you guys ready? I'm not ready, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go ham. Hold up. So, what we're gonna do first, I'm not ready. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Naked Heat palette just because there's this really perfect like neutral shade right here that's like basically the same color as my skin. And I'm gonna just kind of work this all over my eyelid so that all the colors I use afterwards will blend super even and nice. I'm gonna take this shade here in the middle, Witness. Look, you can see my air vent. Try to make sure I don't show you my dirty ass kitchen. And I'm just going to work this into my crease a little bit, kind of like a transition shade here. Now I'm gonna take this shade right here, Taken, and work that into my crease a little bit tighter. Ooh, that's super dark. Ooh, super pigmented. Okay, that's great. Oh shit, what have I done here? Okay, now because I feel like that doesn't look as nice and blended, I'm gonna go back in with that transition shade Witness and like go back over and just really blend the crap out of this. I'm not digging this at all. It's like looking pretty patchy. Oh my god, what the fuck? Alright, well maybe we can fix this. And I'm going ham. I said I was gonna go ham. I'm going ham. I'm going with the black shade. And I'm gonna work this in to really define this edge. I am just so, literally so unhappy with the top of this. Okay, I feel like we're doing a little bit better here now. Now I'm taking my MAC paint pot and kind of carving this out for the silver. Now, should I be using a brush for this? Yes. Do I have the right brush to do this? No. So, you girls gonna improvise. It's the longest video of my life. Now we're gonna hope that this silver's gonna save the day, because if it doesn't, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Ooh, hell yeah. You guys. Ooh, I'm about to make this so beautiful. Hold up. Okay, so I'm loving these Morphe shadows. I am just so not used to how dark these colors are. Like I said, I didn't go into this with a fucking plan, so it got a little messy for a second, and that was my fault. We gonna fix it. We gonna make this look good. What did I do? Oh, I kind of got glitter everywhere. Should have waited until that dried. I should have waited. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking this black shade in the palette and a completely flat-edged brush, and I'm gonna smoke out my bottom lid. I take a slightly fluffier brush and kind of buff that out a little bit more. And now I'm gonna do my usual winged eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back after doing some eyeliner and lashes, and I think I'm looking pretty good so far for having no sort of plan or goal in mind. And you know what? We're doing good. So next, I'm gonna contour my face. This is my usual contour palette here. I'm gonna work this into my cheekbones. My camera has gone out on me like a solid 27 times. It's fucking pissing me off, but we're gonna finish this video. Ah! Oh my god. So I just had to like upload some stuff to my computer so that I could delete it off of my phone in order to finish recording today. So I had to do a little pause and set up some uploading so I could do some deleting, and I did the dishes, took the dog outside, started some more laundry, and now we're back at it and I can finish my face. Anybody out there is thinking about starting YouTube videos, on days like today, I would say don't do it. It's terrible, it's time consuming, but you know, also, it's a lot of fun, and I'm gonna try not to be cranky about it. Anyways, back to where I was. I did a little quick contour my cheekbones, and then we hit pause on everything. I've got another new product here. This is the Revolution, Makeup Revolution London Vivid Baked Bronzer. Just wanted to mix it up a little bit. So this one's pretty nice. It's not like super dark or anything. It's pretty light actually. So I feel like because it's a baked bronzer, I really have to like dig in there to get a lot on my brush. I got another Revolution product, the Ultra Pro Glow 2, which I'm very excited about because it is so many different color highlighters. I think today, to go with my silvery night out on the town look, I'm gonna go with the lightest highlighter, this completely white highlighter here on the end. It's not too blinding, but it looks pretty good. Okay, alright. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Now, for my usual blush, this is Maybelline Fit Me Blush. Pop this on the apples of my cheeks and work it back. And the pink liquid lipstick that I just used is the NYX Liquid Suede. And I'm gonna go ahead and set all of this with Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright guys, and that is it for today's Ulta haul and first impressions video. Overall, I'm really happy with all of the things that I bought. I definitely need to play around with them a little bit more. I love my new foundation from Too Faced. I love, of course, my concealer. Not really new, but a new shade. It looks awesome. My kabuki brush and my beauty sponge are gonna work out awesome. I'm in love with this Morphe palette, even though I struggled a little bit today. And of course the Stila liquid eyeshadow, the silver glitter. Amazing, beautiful. I know I'm going to use this every time that I go out. Of course, I need to let it dry before I go in and try to blend things, because I ended up just getting glitter all over my eyelids. But you know what? If you're going with this kind of look, I think glitter all over your eyelids anyway is appropriate. And my Makeup Revolution products were pretty decent also. Very, very affordable. Both the Morphe and the Revolution products are extremely affordable. The bronzer and the highlighter, and they had all kinds of eyeshadow palettes as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please share this video with your friends and family on Facebook, Twitter, wherever you like to share your videos. And also follow me on Instagram so you can see more about my makeup, style, and beauty and modeling. And you can follow me at Amanda Winks with 2 S's. I'll tag it here. And that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!